Hello everyone, you are welcome to my channel. My name is Margaret Mary, and today we are going to be doing a wig tutorial, a wig with a closure. This is one of my first videos, so I will take you directly into the videos. So we are going to do this wig and we are going to transform it into this. So you will need your hair attachment, and we'll be using a closure for this. And next you'll be needing a thread and a needle, and then you'll be needing some pin to pin down your wig cap, and then obviously you'll be needing a wig cap. So you'll be needing also a pair of scissors and a brush. Finally, you'll be needing a mannequin hair. So you open your wig cap and place it on the mannequin head. So you want to take your time in order to arrange it very well on the mannequin head so that it can easily fit on your head. Yes, after placing your wig cap on the mannequin head, the next thing you will have to do is to use your pins and pin down the wig cap on the mannequin head. So as you can see, my pin have finished pinning down. So the next thing you need to do is to pin down your closure on the wig cap so that it will be easy for you to sew it. So I usually start in the middle. I place my closure in the middle, and then I take my pin and I pin it right there in the middle. So from there, the next thing you want to do is to go behind and arrange it in the middle behind, and then you will need to pin it behind. This is the method I use because it's really easy for me to lay my wig cap very smooth on the my closure very smooth on the wig cap. So after pinning the behind part in the middle down, you will also need to pin the side. So as you can see, you start from behind, pinning it through to the front. This method is really very good for me because it's very easy. You see, as you can see yourself, how it lays down very straight. So yes, you need to pin it first here, and then to keep it more secure, they pin it now in front. You do same for the other side. I'm using an already used wig cap, um sorry, hair attachment and closure. So I had used this before, so now I decided that I don't want to put it directly on my hair anymore, so I decided to do a wig with it. So we are now good to go. Our closure is well placed on the wig cap. So the next thing we need to do is to sew it. So I start sewing from behind at the middle and move to the front. Make sure you take your time and sew it nicely. Don't give out too much spaces. Give just small space from each point of where you put your needle. You should be close enough and sew it very smooth and neat. So as you can see, I'm done with this side. So I will cut off my thread and move up to the other side. The same thing, I'll start from behind to the front. We are all done with the closure. So from this, the next thing we need to do is start laying down our hair attachment. So I always like to, yes, you saw, as you can see. So I don't cut the hair attachment when I come to the other side of the, I just flip it over and then continue sewing. I gave just a little gap between the first and the second. So yes, you do like this. You want to make sure that the thing, the as you flip it over, it lays really flat on the wig cap. As you can see, it's really flat and looking neat. It's even difficult to notice that it was flipped over. And you continue sewing. Let me leave you to watch. As you can see, we are almost getting to the end of making our wig cap. So for the final line, I really sewed it very close to the closure. And we are done. So you need to remove your pins that you use to hold down the wig cap. Yes, you remove it and then you cut off the wig cap that is under the closure because you will not need it. So you want to take your time to cut it so that you shouldn't cut off where your wig is. Like you shouldn't cut off your closure or the other part of the wig. You need to be very careful not to do that. So I like cutting it while holding it on my hand. While others like doing it, you can put it, you can still lay it on top of the mannequin head before doing this, but I like doing it while holding it on my hand. So after doing that, you want to put the wig cap, your wig, now it's already a wig, you want to put your wig on the mannequin head like this. Yes, you want to put it like this. and I had this one line remaining. I add it inside. I sew it from inside. Yes, you need to pin it down to make sure that it will go through. So I start sewing from the closure, where the closure start and ends. I go round behind to the front, as you can see. Yes, as you can see. So I put it like so, and I start sewing. So this is to help you, like when you wear the wig, when you turn it over and you put on your wig, you won't show that, like those ends where you were sewing and flipping over, or the wig cap itself won't be seen when maybe wind can blow your hair, or you're on a bike, wind can blow your hair and they happen to see the wig cap and they say, oh, you're putting on a wig. But with this method, sewing this inside is going to cover up those areas, and you can see I'm done sewing. So let's see. Can't be seen. When you put on your hair, it looks more natural and more comfortable. So that's it, and your wig is ready for transformation. So here I use my coiling iron, so I just plug it and I start coiling my wig. So you will need to be taking it small, like you put a little bit of hair and wrap it and coil it. You allow it for some seconds, then remove it from the coil, and oh, you have your coils. And you have to do that until you do the entire week. Ta-da! Here is how it. Look at how it looks, so gorgeous. Look how it looks. It's so beautiful. In fact, it just looks like a brand new hair attachment that you just got from a shop. It looks so good and beautiful. So thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and while in the comment section, tell me what you think about the video. If you have any more suggestions, we learn every day, and don't forget to subscribe.